Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here today. As we welcome the beautiful season of spring, I've put together some amazing crochet ideas to celebrate this joyful time of year. Some of these spring-inspired projects I'll be making myself, and of course I'll be sharing them with you right here on this channel. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, let me know in the comments which one you'd love to see as a full tutorial. I'd be happy to show you how I make it step by step. Alright, let's dive into these lovely crochet ideas. You'll find all the pattern links down in the video description. Our first pattern is an adorable pink crochet tulip. It's a perfect little gift for Mother's Day or just something lovely to keep for yourself at home. You can even use it to bring a touch of spring into your space. Especially handy if real flowers are a no-go because of curious cats or allergies. To make this tulip, you'll just need some 4-ply cotton yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, a flower rod, and a bit of wire. The tulip is made using basic stitches, so it's great for beginners or a relaxing project for any skill level. This adorable flower watering can is also made with a 2.5mm hook, and I think it might just be my favorite project of the month. What could bring us more cheerful spring vibes than this little beauty? It would look absolutely lovely on a stylishly decorated balcony or sitting by the window next to some blooming tulips. As a little girl, I would have loved playing with something like this. So grab your crochet hooks, especially if you've got little girls in the family. This one's just too sweet to resist. Our third charming design is this set of colorful parasols, or umbrellas, depending on how you see them. They look especially lovely strung together and hung along a balcony railing. You can even weave a string of fairy lights through them to create a magical atmosphere on those flower-scented spring and summer evenings. Just imagine enjoying it all with a glass of wine and some good company. Pure bliss. Easter is just around the corner and still no decorations? No worries. Here are some sweet little Easter egg patterns that will look perfect on your holiday table. They're super simple to make and a great way to use up leftover yarn. Just make sure to pick colors that complement each other nicely. You can add some simple embroidery to dress them up. My personal favorite is the cherry blossom motif. It's definitely one of my must-make projects this year. And the best part? They won't go bad. You can reuse them next year, unless your guests beg you to gift them, because they're just that cute. Now, let's move on to some wearable crochet projects. First up, we have this lovely beginner-friendly poncho-style top from knitcroaddict.com. It's light, airy, and perfect for sunny spring days. What makes it really stand out is the simple granny-style stitch detailing around the shoulders. If you don't mind a bit of see-through, you can even use the same stitch pattern for the entire piece. That way, the project works up faster too. The front and back panels are identical and you just sew them together at the end, leaving space for the neckline and armholes. Easy, right? And if you're not quite ready to tackle it alone, no worries. The linked site offers a paid pattern version with step-by-step instructions. Another favorite of mine is this cute, flared top that widens slightly towards the bottom. You can make it in pretty much any yarn depending on the season, and here's why I love it so much. Those of us with a little extra around the tummy know how crochet or knitwear can sometimes highlight the wrong areas. But the A-line shape and peplum style cut are just perfect for this kind of body type. Super flattering and comfortable. I also recommend making the top just a bit longer. That way you can be sure nothing peeks out that you'd rather keep covered. You can find this pattern for free on the same website as the previous one, but don't worry, I'll link it separately in the video description so it's easy to find. I've also got another peplum style top to show you and I really love this one. The shape is not only flattering but also super practical. A great choice even if you're not in the youngest age group anymore. It features a relaxed sleeve design, but you can easily make it sleeveless too. In a fresh light green color, it looks absolutely stunning. And now, let's turn up the heat a little with two more stylish tops, also from the same website. First up is the eukalyptus crop top with its delicate stitch pattern and cute spaghetti straps, perfect for warm weather and totally on trend. It may take a little more time to make because of the intricate design, but trust me, it's worth every stitch. Then there's this third top, bold and beautiful with a sexy open back and a high neckline in the front. It's perfect for the more daring crocheters out there. Of course, you can always wear a tank top underneath if you prefer a bit more coverage. Our second to last project is a true spring classic, the beautiful sakura blossom, one of the first signs that spring has truly arrived. And what better way to use this little beauty than as an accessory to pair with the tops we just looked at. Make it into earrings or a ring. All you need is some fine pink or variegated yarn and a small hook. The result is absolutely stunning. You can even add a metallic touch or a tiny bead in the center to make it pop even more. If you prefer something a bit bolder, try stitching one or a few onto a headband for a sweet handmade hair accessory. And finally, my last and most special crochet pattern is actually my very own design. It's the first wearable piece I ever created myself, and it truly holds a special place in my heart. I'm so happy to be sharing it with you here. Some of you might have already seen it in my previous video. At first glance, it might look a bit complicated, but don't worry, if you're familiar with basic stitch types, you'll definitely be able to follow along and complete it. There's no written pattern for it just yet, but I'll link my crochet along video where you can make it with me step by step. And with that, we've come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which project made it onto your to crochet list. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me know which kind of content you love most. Wishing you lots of sunshine and happy crocheting!